Do you need to replace the motherboard on your Dell Vostro 5620? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the link on the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including step-by-step written tutorials with detailed images. And now let's get into it. First, unscrew and remove the 7 2mm by 4mm screws. Then loosen the 2 captive screws. Remember, these 2 only loosen and cannot be removed. Then pry apart and remove the bottom base. Now disconnect the battery cable. Then unscrew and remove the battery. If you have the longer 4-cell battery, I'll demonstrate that first, and if you have the shorter 3-cell battery, I'll demonstrate that next. Next, unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi antenna bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables. Now slide out the Wi-Fi card. Now unscrew and slide out the solid-state drive. Next, unclip the locking tabs away from the memory modules. Once they're released, you can slide them out. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the keyboard cables. Then unclip the locking tab and disconnect the touchpad cable. Now disconnect the speaker cable. Now disconnect the cooling fan. Then unscrew and remove the cooling fan. Next, peel back the adhesive covering the DC jack connector. Now disconnect the DC jack cable. Now peel back the adhesive covering the LCD cable connector. Then unclip the locking tab and disconnect the LCD cable. Now unscrew and lift the right LCD hinge. Then peel back the adhesive covering the input-output board connector. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the input-output board cable. Now unscrew and remove the motherboard with the heatsink still attached. Now unscrew and remove the heatsink. Before replacing your heatsink, it's important to wipe away any old thermal paste from your processors and heatsink. And for maximum cooling, do not touch these heat transfer areas. The oils in your skin can reduce the heat transfer capability of the thermal paste. Then apply a small amount of thermal paste to the processor before replacing your heatsink. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.